This is the unboxing of the Parrot Bebop-Pro thermal. So I just wanted to get you a little picture of the box here, what it includes in the box. That's what it comes in. Then you get this out of the box. It's a nice backpack, very nice. Has lots of pockets so you can carry all kind of other stuff. When you open it up, I was kind of pleasantly surprised. Has quite a few compartments, gives you quite a bit of good stuff. Even has more compartments in here, or they give you another bag for some reason. You take it out. They have a battery sitting on top, and they have two more batteries inside. They have two chargers. And they have many various type electric plug-ins that you can hook to those chargers, so you can go to any country and be able to plug those chargers in, which is good. I was pleasantly surprised when I opened this. And they give you two charging cords. They hook up to the chargers, and then they give you a charging cord for your remote control, and then they give you a couple of the little USB cords. Pull it out. Here's the remote controller. It's right there. And you pull out the little bird. And they also have four more propellers in here. And then they have the little bag here, has all the other electrical hookups in it. And then it gives you your flare case. So the flare camera would fit in this case if you took it off the bird. And of course they give you the instruction book and the little boxes that your wiring and stuff came in. And then here's your phone holder or tablet holder that just screws onto here. This is just a little awkward. It just screws on like a camera screw right there. And you put your tablet in there. And that's it. That's everything. I'm going to have another video where I critique the bird, because it has a few pluses and, as far as I can see, many minuses. So I'm going to do a critique video here next. Thank you for watching. Bye. This is Rob at DronVew.